Welcome back, ZBCN lovers, all the army, all the Zebatians. How are you doing? And for all you crypto folks that are just not ready to be a Zebatian, but you're probably going to be a Zebatian after this video or not, up to you. This is an update about Zebatians, about ZBCN, and this is the Crypto Mindset channel where we are no BS crypto investing and trading knowledge. ZBCN, it's our topic of the day. The coin that me and CM believe has what it takes to be a monster continuation. However, it's not acting too well at all today or so far, which is okay because that's part of what the markets do. However, let's take a quick peeky on it and see what we can learn, okay? First of all, we know and already understand that we had a beautiful entry over here. This was our entry a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so we already took in profits. We have no position on as of now, at least. I was out roughly here out of all the position. Okay, took profits into strength, was out here. Okay, we topped. We said multiple times that we potentially topped at the 70 area on our lives, on videos. We said it's an interesting area to kind of top, and we saw price action kind of weaken. And actually, since the 3rd and 4th of June, we broke momentum quite strong. Okay. Now, if you were with me, in one of the videos, I explained about, how this stage 1 breakout, usually what it does is has a very strong continuation. And if I'm going to show you, for example, the chart on sheep, okay, and I'm going to take you back here, this is how it moved. The breakout, if we compare this to ZBCN, was from this, almost 10 cents level, made 260%, almost like ZBCN, okay? But then the price behaved quite normally above the 10 EMA, okay? You can see it, kind of stayed above it, kind of stayed above it. Now, I've shown more examples like this. They all kind of respect the 10 EMA. Right now on ZBCN, we didn't respect the 10 EMA, which means that momentum is lost and that we probably need more time. Woohoo, I'm kind of crying for it because I wanted this to be the strong, but it's not, okay? Not only that, right now it's kind of losing momentum. You can see that actually the 10 EMA, which is the blue line here, okay? This is the 10 EMA, if I didn't make sure you understand it in the last chart. Here we're going down right now. The slope is going down. Just to make sure we go back to the sheep chart, because maybe you missed it because I wasn't a good teacher to show you exactly how it looks, okay? I'll make sure to do it again. Here it is. Okay, this was the area, and this is the blue line, okay? All this blue line here, all this blue line here, okay? Let me remove it so you can see it again. All this blue line here, you can see was respected by the price, never went above it, and never had a negative slope to it. Never had. If we go back to ZBCN, okay, what we see is that we have a negative slope all of a sudden. We are below it. Not a good look. And if I go to the hourly chart, just to kind of put things in perspective, if this was a daily chart, for example, we would say, oh my goodness, what an ugly head and shoulders. This is probably going to go down. Okay. Now, this is the hourly chart, and hourly charts are mainly noise, but it does look like, even on the daily, that this does have somewhat of a head and shoulders, a very short head and shoulders, nothing really significant, kind of potential top. Okay, this is not what I envisioned when I looked at ZBCN a couple of days ago, when I was just looking at the video and everything was still kind of dandy and moving up. You see the slope over here where we were still sloping up with this blue line. Price was above it and everything. Momentum was in, but now things are shifting. Okay, things have changed. Am I not bullish on ZBCN right now? not what I'm trying to say. Okay. And by the way, smoke the like for us. Give me the like. Send this to the algorithm. The Lord of the algorithm of YouTube needs you to share this love for me. Smash, cook the like, push the bell notification, comment in the section below. For God's sakes, it costs you $0 to give me a comment, but it helps us get to more people to make sure this knowledge is spread amongst everyone, to make sure that people don't fall prey to evil moonies. That's what we're trying to do here, okay? So smash the like button, subscribe, okay? Smash the like and subscribe. Anyways, yes, we might continue down even more here, okay? Now, in the past, I said that interesting level, okay, to kind of reach would be the 34 cents. And as you can see, the 34 cents, not only that it has the 50-day EMA, okay, it is the old kind of all-time high on Bybit. Also, it got supported on this specific day, as you can see. You can see it got support on this specific day. So maybe we need to revisit this area prior to continuing up. Now, anything can happen. I may be completely wrong on ZBCN, which I don't think I am. If you think I am not wrong, smash the like button because you love ZBCN and Zebatians, we share the love, okay? But I might be wrong and this will continue down. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is purely educational from my experience. We speak in probabilities in trading and investing, not in certainties. No, no, no. So probabilities. The probability is that if we do move down from here, which can happen, we go here probably and kind of retest, and then we can gear up for a bigger move. Okay, so this is one area. Now, can we go lower even to the breakout area of here? Yeah, that still can happen. Anything can happen in crypto. Distill and instill this in your mind. Anything can happen in crypto and in charts. Okay, we don't know what will happen next, ladies and gentlemen. I will tell you what I do know. I do know that I don't care if it will go to here and bounce, or here and bounce, or not even go down, just sideways and bounce. Eventually, it will paint some sort of a continuation trade for me to kind of be able to smash and kill. Okay, I do believe this will happen, and I will want to position myself on the breakout maybe prior to it, once it shows healthy formation of a new trend or continuation on price, and then the breakout. That's when the edge is tilted in our favor the most. I want to be in ZBCN 100%. And now I want to say something for all of you, because one of my students actually told me this. He told me, you are so convicted about a possible ZBCN trade, but you are not in it right now. You took a trade, you took profits, and you're out. It's so different than what most people and most moon boys always do, where they say, we are a conviction, we have a position, we're in, and they don't wait professionally for the right moment in time to get in. That is absolutely true. People do not get it, okay? They do not get it. They think that because they have somewhat of conviction, they must be in a position right now, okay? No, professional investors, super performers, the best traders on planet Earth, Warren Buffett, Paul Tudor Jones, they don't just get in because they are convicted. They find a conviction on something, and then they wait for a specific entry to come to give them a high reward, high symmetric reward to low risk entry. This is so important to understand. Very, very important to understand. Okay. Without it, if you don't understand it, then you don't understand trading at all. You just don't understand trading at all. Okay. So I do want to make sure that you understand trading. That's why I'm giving you. So give me this smash and smoke the like button, as I said. But if you are interested, and if you reached here, which not a lot of people do, so I salute you for reaching to the end. Okay, you probably are thinking about, you know what, this Jomo dude, he might has something, interesting to say to me and to teach me, okay? So I wanted to see that on May 21st, we took the ZBCN trade. This was the trade. This is the picture, okay? I'm gonna make sure that you see the picture big so you don't need an eye surgery, okay? You can see that our entry was 0.022, okay? This was the buy entry, the blue line. You can see it's what I wrote over here as well, buy above the 0.026, okay? So I'm not BSing at all when I say that I bought ZBCN and then I made a triple on the money. What you need to do is click on the first link in the description, okay, and get to our WAP page and get yourself a membership with us, because I will make sure I do the heavy lifting for you. We do the heavy lifting. Me, CM, we do the heavy lifting for you. We share all our trades for education purposes for you to watch what we do, and you can of course follow it on your own risk and make sure that maybe you make money out of it. That's something that you can do, but the first you need to commit, and you need to make sure that you want to make money in the markets, because if you want to make money in the markets, you need the best mentors to guide you there. We believe we're the best because we are the only YouTubers that are actually professional traders and not just Mooney boys, saying buy this and it will moon and buy that it will moon. That's not how the world works. And you probably know that by now, because so many of you, so many of my members come to me as injured human beings after being smoked by the market and a moony loony that told them to buy something and wait and hold while it went 80% down and they lost 80% of the money. If that's you, you should come to us. We will hug you open. We invite you to come. And if not, again, a free way to support us. Smash, cook the like, bell notification. Tell me in the comment section below, what do you think about my analysis? What do you think about ZBCN? How low can it get? And maybe how high? Till next time, no edge, no trade.